Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to install CM14 Nougat on this Grand Prime. So basically if you want to install this, you have to recommendedly run the stock lollipop, not a custom ROM like a J5 or anything. Otherwise it will give networking issues. Still the SIM card is not working, but if you want the Wi-Fi working, I would recommend to install your stock ROM first. So hold down your power, home and volume up in order to boot recovery, and the developer has posted a new twerk recovery, so you please use that. As you can see, it's a bit different than my older ones. Go to wipe, advanced wipe, that will catch system cache data, no need for internal storage or external storage. So to wipe, go to the install, search for your downloaded ROM. Here is the latest one, CM14. Add a zip and search for your G apps. I would have it over here. Yep, swipe it. So in the order to choose a G apps, if you want every setting, something like Google on now on tap, face unlock and many other Google stuff like the Google apps and a now launcher, you might be downloading a micro or just Pico like me, which has Play services and Play Store only, and it's very deep loaded, so it wouldn't take much of your space and RAM, which is good. So I'll skip this part and hit you right back. So it was pretty quick as I chose for the lowest version of the G apps, which is the Pico. As you can see, it gives a bit of error, but that's just okay. Open G apps installed. Now it's optional to get a Nexus launcher because it looks cool. It gives a much like Nougat feel to the ROM. Let's just reboot the system. Wait for it to boot. Now the booting takes a bit of a time than the CM12 or 13. It takes a bit of time to optimize the app. I know the Nougat has a new system where it optimizes the apps in the background and lets the ROM boot first, but it still takes time. Device has been booted up and it took quite a long compared to the other ROMs like CM13 or 12. Let's hit next. And the boarding part, whether you can skip, okay, so you can skip anyway without the Wi-Fi, I guess, which is not available on my UU4. I couldn't sign in. That's just okay, I can save my time. Nope, you can bypass it. Nope, you have to go back. That's just a bad thing. I don't know why my router keeps disconnecting. Okay, so the Wi-Fi is working pretty fine. SIM card networking doesn't work, and this part is the longest part. Whether it is any ROM, it would take a time. So you have to log in and you can't bypass it actually, which is another bug, but you can't help it right now. It's again checking info. I don't know why it takes a whole lot of time. I just wasted my 8 to 10 minutes on doing this. Okay, just turn everything off to help your battery. I know SIM card is missing. And there you have it, your very own Android Nougat. Just hit this again and there you get option to choose your launcher. It is your Nexus launcher. So if you get a Pico or anything about that, the apps will be added over here. We will just basically pretend to be adding Google apps. It may be crashing. Okay, it's still in alpha stage. We can't basically help it. Fine. Let's just go and choose another one. There you have your notification panel. Okay, go to the applications, or else you can just clear the data and it will work. Sorry for the background noises, it's raining hard here in India. Okay, trash budget is working fine. So guys, thanks for watching. This was my installation of Nougat on this Grand Prime. I know this is craziness. we just received marshmallow through Synology mode 13, and now we are having Synology mode 14. I never imagined I will be running a Nougat on this device. Let me show you. Okay, it's adjusting itself to the device specifications, which is good. That's why the Nougat is easier to build up. There you have it. So guys, thanks for watching. Peace.